Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special masala tea. In a saucepan or a tea bowl, take 450 ml of milk and 100 ml of water. Switch on the stove. Add 3 teaspoons of tea powder and 3 teaspoons of sugar. You can increase or decrease the sugar according to your taste. Boil in a high flame till it gets bubbles. When it gets bubbles, keep the flame low. Take 9 to 10 cloves, make a powder and add. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder or 10 to 15 black pepper seeds. Powder it and add. Remove the tea powder which sticks to the edges and mix back to the tea. Take dry ginger approximately 9 grams. Make a powder and add. If you are using ginger powder, add 2 teaspoons. Mix the tea. Take 1 inch cinnamon, powder it and add. If you are using powdered cinnamon, add half teaspoon. After adding cinnamon, keep in high flame and let the bubbles rise once. Decrease the flame. Take 2-3 green cardamom, just beat and add. Stir and increase the flame to high and boil for 20 to 30 seconds. Tea will rise up. Control it by lifting the bowl. After 20 seconds, our best masala tea is ready. Enjoy this hot tea with your family members. This is really enjoyable. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.